Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Remove the two holding screws on the outside of the lights with a socket wrench, an extender and an 8mm socket. Unclip the light, separating it slightly from the trunk, and then pulling it carefully towards you. Remove the power connector by lifting the black tab and pulling on it. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws from the light bulb assembly, then remove it. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew it with a 1/4 turn.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the seal back in place if it came out of its slot. Gently position the assembly, then retighten the 4 screws. Reconnect the electric connector. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the 2 holding screws back on the headlight housing. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.